Hello everyone, this is Shenzhen Boatman Technology Company Limited. In this video, I will tell you how to change the direction joystick from left to right or from right to left. First, we open the remote. We can see there is a green icon on the right side. It means right joystick is direction joystick, and then the right and the left one used to choose the waypoint numbers. Now I will show you how to change it to left. Turn off it, and then turn on remote. We have 3 seconds to choose. Just press the left joystick. Now it's direction. And then the right one used to choose the waypoint numbers. Thanks for watching.